Hi everybody, welcome back to day 7 of this lovely 12 chords of Christmas that I'm doing. And today I'm going to do a bar chord, and it's going to be B minor. So you put your index finger on the 2nd fret up to the A string, yeah, and then you put your middle finger on the B string, your ring finger on the D string, and your pinky on the G string. And that chord's in quite a lot of sort of love songs. That's in the She Will Be Love song. That's a part of that song, B minor. Cheers everybody.